Hello YouTube. Getting ready to post my very first video ever. I'm going to enter Hunter Selby's build-off on the semi-tractor. So I went online to eBay and I ordered a W900, which I used to drive. I didn't pay real close attention to what I was doing. I paid for it. A couple days later it showed up in the mail. And this is what showed up today. As you can see, it's a 1/16 scale kit. Now I don't know if that'll meet the criteria for Hunter Selby's build-off. If it doesn't, I'll just disqualify myself and I'm going to build it anyhow and watch everybody else. If it does qualify, I'll post more videos as I get more done. As I get some done, different stages like he requested. Okay, YouTube, we'll see you when we see you. Have a great day.